Designers who master seamless geometry gain the power to create visuals that feel mathematically perfect and visually satisfying at the same time. How to design seamless geometric textures. Open Photoshop and create a new document sized around 2,000 pixels square so geometric spacing can be evaluated accurately. Select the polygon or shape tool and draw a clean geometric form in the center, choosing a solid color that contrasts clearly with the background. Duplicate the shape several times and arrange copies in rows using the Move tool with Shift.